Remember my humble self, Evangelist Benjamin Johnson Ezesinachi, the only evangelist of Biafra, from the Biafra land who speak the truth and nothing but the truth, and ready to end by the truth, as the word of God stated it. Listen and listen good. I am not surprised hearing that today Igbo man has become the chief of Imam in asorock. That have never happened in the history of this country. Because we all know, both international and the local, even in the heart of the Fulanis and the Hausas and the Yoruba that are the Islams, they know vividly well that the Eastern region people are Christians. We are known to be Christians. We are known to be the children of God. I am not surprised for what is playing now, because in 2023, the same president, Tinubu and the Shetima, caused some doubt and decorated them with what? With the apparel of Reverend Father, of a priest from Catholic and from other aspects of the Christendom. And they use it, and at the end of the day, we found out that these people are not even Christians. They are what? They are what? Touts that they usually use. Like the man that they make the chief of a man. Listen and listen good. It's the Easterners, everybody know that we are not Islam. Listen and listen carefully. Because so many Islams now, Jesus Christ has been hitting on them, touching them, converting them. That is why they now use that system in order to mock the Christianity. Not just the Christian Igbo, but the Christian of the world. Because you and I know vividly well. In Zamfara, I am stating it here. Right here in Lagos, we can go to the other face. I have 2-3 persons, both Okada, that we are present the very day. I raised money for a Zamfara man who happened to be a preacher of the gospel in Zamfara. He narrowly escaped his life because that speaker and whatsoever he uses for preaching, they destroy it. If you see the guy, they mess him up. I have to raise money there for him. If truly that these people welcome Christianity, why should they pick up their own brother? Not to talk of a stranger. So this, what I'm hearing they are doing in Asorock, in Abuja today, is nonsense. That man is not original Igbo man, and it's not even a Christian, to be precise. Because I don't see a real Christian, or guys, let me use the word, original Igbo born blood. Igbo born blood. Go and check the foundation, go and check the origin. Even before the coming of the white man with the Bible, there is a way we communicate with our Tochukwu Usman. We are children of God, we serve God direct. And there are ways we use to serve God before the coming of the Bible. And till tomorrow, you and I vividly know in this country, Eastern region are Christian nations. Biafra land is a Christian nation. I will not forget the minister of FCC, current minister now, Wike, when he was in power as a governor, I could remember he demolished a mosque in Rivers State. During his first tenure, he demolished a mosque. He said it, that my state is Christian state. Imagine bringing a Port Harcourt man and says, Lasisi, you call him Musa Ibrahim Dangurugu or whatsoever. It sounds so funny.
What does Tinubu tend to achieve with appointment of a chief imam of Asorock, giving it to an Igbo man? What does Tinubu actually want to achieve?
I've been saying this thing many years ago, that Nigeria is an Islamic country. They have Islamized this country. But the problem, which even the former president of Nigeria stated it clearly, he said that the problem that they have are the Easterners, the Igbos, the Biafrans. That they are the problem that they have. As for even as of last month, September, an Islamic man clearly said that Igbos, if they need presidency, they should accept Islam. Just as Yorubas have accepted Islam to join the Fulanis and the Hausas. That is the only way they can consider Igbo being a president of Nigeria. And we don't need the presidency, because what God has given to us is more than Nigerian presidency. The wisdom, the knowledge, the ability, the strength, where God is taking us to is beyond Nigerian presidency. We are both presidency. Are you hearing me? We are above Nigerian presidency. Are you hearing me? So what Tinubu just did now was exactly what he did before he ascended throne. He organized and paid some people money, and which I believe that he paid that man money, that Igbo man money, if they say it. But Igbo man doesn't bear Lasisi. I don't know where outcome of Lasisi in the name of Igbo land. There is nobody answer Lasisi in Igbo land. I don't know the meaning of Lasisi. I don't know the meaning of Muhammad. I don't know the meaning of Ibrahim or Musa or Dangurugu or whatsoever. It's not named among the Igbos.
Is Christianity now being mocked by, is there a kind of a way to mock the Igbos that you people are still not what you think you are?
Yes, in a way that is their own mindset. But in the mindset of we, the Biafrans, and the people of the world, you cannot tell me that somebody like Israel is a Muslim or America is a Muslim, but you still find Islam among them. But that doesn't mean that they are Islam. And what actually happened is a game. What Tinubu did now is a game. Are you getting it? Which he did it in 2023, last year, during his campaign. I've said it before. So this one is part of it again, a kind of to mock the Christians, the Eastern region. But it cannot mock us because we know ourselves.
Is Islam gradually coming to the East?
Islam?
No, because I do not understand the kind of understanding what they are trying to portray is a signal that you American now coming because you see one of them there.
It's a yaistic things. It is not real.
Okay.
Because every Igbo man, Yoruba say to Baya, Igbo people, Mbogeru. Mbogeru. Mboge meregene ruru. When the time comes, we know where we belong. We know who is who. Are you getting it? And those that are the Fulanis in Igbo land will go and visit their brother. The Fulanis in the midst of the Biafra will go and visit their brother. Are you getting it? So, being an Islam, probably, let me tell you another thing. Igbo man can do anything to earn his living. That is another strategy. He may accept it now to gain a position and make his money. When the actual time comes, he will remove the after all. They give a Duari name. Is that the original name?
But this man would have studied Arabics to be in that position of getting that appointment.
And that is the thing. Now that is exactly what I'm saying. Because you cannot defend what you don't know. Are you getting it? Something you don't know. Ask him to recite it now. He cannot. Then how can he be qualified as a chief imam? Something you cannot recite, you cannot explain, you cannot defend. That is to tell you this is politics. Politics. Are you getting it? It is a politics. It's a system that will not stay long. It's just for a while because they have seen Igbos the angle we are coming, of which we must achieve that dream. And when that dream comes, you will see many of them. Bo to Lasisi, Bo Isisi Lasisi, Musa and whatsoever, Dangurugu, and the rest of them will begin to do what? Denounce that name. They will begin to reject that name. Even if you call them by that name, they may even end up fighting
these reactions are coming because it is not common in Igbo land.
Yes.
But he's not the first person. Anyway, we have seen other people taking that stand based on business, transaction, interest, and money. But when we are talking about this is, the seat of power, asorock, Abuja, Igbo man, Tochukwu is now the chief imam. The Northerners, how would they see him as a real Muslim or a calculated arrangement?
That is what I said. I have said it before. You can never call a Fulani man now, or if they want to hold their meeting now.
You call a Fulani man Christian.
A Christian.
And you will accept.
A jihadist, just like that. It's not possible. Are you getting it? It is not possible. And at the same time, when they want to hold their meeting, you know, there is a meeting that you will allow everybody to hold. And when the real meeting time comes, there are people that will not be in that meeting. They call it insider. And that time, Lasisi will not be there because it's not insider. Are you getting it? That the chief, that is Abuja. The chief imam in the northern region of Nigeria, the northerners know him.
Yes.
Not this one.
The Muslim never be chief imam.
They know themselves. Why not Tinubu? Now Yoruba I know say them be Muslim. Some part of Yorubas are Muslim. Tinubu did not pick Yoruba man. For you to see, he's trying to be tricky here, to be cunning here. That is not going to work. Are you getting it? So you can never see a Fulani. And when the time comes, they know their own. Like I said, they know their own person. So this one collecting Lasisi or whatsoever, he can answer anything. Maybe because of his business. In Imo State, I think that was the time of the former governor, not the present governor, Okorocha. You know, Okorocha paid some youth and some persons 2 million each for them to become an Islam. Because of the money, they collected the money, 2 million, and they used it to run their business and better their. Is it not to go and do, you stand up, Abi? Is that all? No worry, bring the 2 million. We will go and do that. But inside of us, we know who we are. And that is it. God bless you.